Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting now? Clean the cupboard area with 70% isopropyl or mild soap and dry it fully so adhesive bonds. Once done, measure and mark the layout with a pencil and painter's tape to align pieces consistently. This prevents crooked placement. Peel only a small corner of the sticker backing to test adhesion and positioning before committing. You want a confident first placement because correcting large misalignments creates bubbles and stretches the material. You now apply the sticker. Align the anchored edge, then slowly peel about 1/2 of the backing while pressing the exposed adhesive onto the cupboard. As you go, smooth outward with a squeegee or a credit card to force air out. This reduces trapped bubbles and ensures even contact. If a bubble appears, lift the nearest edge gently and re-squeegee toward the gap. Trim excess with a sharp razor at a low angle for a clean edge. Make sure not to cut into the cabinetry. Finish by heating the sticker lightly with a hairdryer on low to activate the adhesive and help the material conform to edges and seams. Keep the dryer moving to avoid warping. If a stubborn bubble remains, puncture it with a fine pin near the edge, press out the air, and smooth so the adhesive seals. This is faster than peeling the whole panel. Make sure to wait 24 to 48 hours before heavy use so the bond reaches full strength and you avoid lifting.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.